Did you know some birds actually catch Z's while flying? That's right. Certain birds, like the common swift, can sleep while soaring high in the sky. They pull this off by using a clever trick called unihemispheric slow-wave sleep, which means they rest one half of their brain at a time. Pretty wild, right? This cool ability keeps them alert for dangers while still getting the rest they need. Swifts can even stay airborne nonstop for months during their epic migrations. Sleeping mid-flight saves energy and keeps these amazing travelers zooming without pause. Isn't it incredible how nature keeps these birds flying and dreaming at the same time?